Guys, again, I am here to present one of the most complex dashboard I have created for a personal project, and that is regarding the Valorant Esports data. So before we start the dashboard summary, let me go to this information page and we will start from here. So over here I have mentioned everything which I have used from internet for this dashboard. Like data source, I have mostly downloaded from Kaggle, which is by this person Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Uh, Agent map and images scraped by me from this website. Other images have downloaded from this net icon. A UI design is created in PowerPoint, and for most of the decks, I have used DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Over here, why program this dashboard will help them developer to balance out the map and agent or operator, helps team the esports team to like see the player's performance, find the new player or new emerging player, and for the Valorant community just to see the data that how their favorite operator or their favorite player or their favorite map performing in a particular year or in a particular tournament. So back to the home page. Let's start with the agent page. Over here, we have multiple KPIs. Okay. That means multiple KPIs are there. For this, we have used like what we can say. So if you go to the modeling tab and check the parameter, then we have used this field parameter. So same chart can be seen for multiple uh, visuals. Okay, so we don't need to create a different chart for all this information. We can just create a parameter, field parameter, use this as a filter, and can see this chart for all these details. Other than that, we have selected characters image over here. So this is our new button filter. If you check, we have new button filter, and this is our new card filter. So I utilize that and I try to make this look cool and better. So yes, that is there. We have a tech and different related KPI changes over here. Over here I have used this tooltip. If you see I have this tooltip, so you can just hover over and it will show the selected operator or characters uh, ability key, uh, okay, name of the ability, a description of the ability and logo of the ability. So this is for the agent page. Again, yeah, one more thing. I have utilized the bookmark features to show these filters. So you can just select these filters and based on that the data will be filtered out. So let me go to the select the final. Okay. So if we click the final, okay, and we check the data. So there is a blank for this operator. So let's see the oldest operator. So we don't have the data blank. Okay, yeah, we don't have it because this operator was new, so he might not be played in the um, tournament. It's current tournament. Okay, so if we keep this for all characters, it is there. Right? So then let me select all and go back to the next page, which is top agent page. This is like sorry, top 10 filter. Okay, not top 10. Uh, Best thing for this page is that you can see the title top 5 agent by peak rate in 2022, top 10 agent by kill in 2022. That is because I have selected top 10 from this filter and 2022 from this filter. But what if I change this to 2025? See, the title is changing dynamically. If I do top 5, see top 5. Over here it's only top 5 because I just want to see top 5 details because if I show more than those pictures then this donut chart will not look good. So that is why it's only top 5 but its CR will be changing and for the below that it's like top 50 if I say all agent by kill in 2024. If I go to the death, you can see all agent by death in 2024. If I go to the top 10, you can see top 10 agent by death in 2024. If I see KD, you can see the top 10 agent by KD in 2024. So by utilizing this picture, we have this in one chart, we have multiple filters and Based on that, the user can dynamically see their own chart. So they don't need to create a chart with all these uh, calculations or these visuals. So that is the I have given the right to the user that how user want to see the data and what data he want to see. Okay, and if I see like for KD, this operator is highest, so the top operator will be shown here. For kill, we have this operator, for that we have this, for assist, we have this, for first kill, the jet is there, for first there, C is there. I don't know the operator name, so please bear with me. So yeah, this is that. Moving to the again, we have in all the pages we have this bookmark filters, so I will not repeat that for other pages now. Go to the agent role. So over here what I did, I created this page just based on the what role agents did. So in Valorant, there are four roles are there: controller, duelist, initiator, and sentinel. So based on that, the data will change. Okay. So if I do 2024, you can see the data is changing. So over here, like how many percentage has been done by initiator, controller, duelist, and sentinels. And these are some external chart I have downloaded and used that from the marketplace. So just testing that how it works. Okay. This is mostly heating kind of heating up like chart. So I have this and you can see I have like given the image as well. So you see the data, you can see that for which operator you are seeing the data. Nothing fancy over here. Peak rate, rate. So most of the calculations are there. So it's all about visuals. Going to the team. So this is like organization related stuff. Like if you any work have various person, they can see the data. So this is for G2. You can select your team over here. And so you can see that how this team perform against other teams. So some data might be blank, like they are not performing against other teams, then data might be blank. If we do 25, let's see 100 views. So yeah, you can see that how many matches they have played and all those things. So if I do total round, yeah, so you can see that on against 100 skills they have played total 210 rounds overall in 2022. How many in 2023 they didn't play? In 2024 they played 210 rounds. So they have played against each other and only 2024. So therefore you can select the performance from over here. Okay. But let's see the offer now. We have again all KPIs. This is the same parameter I told you I'm using for these two charts. So when based on this parameter, this two chart will change. So this is total down win, overtime win, defense win, attack win. Or here you can select peak and ban for that particular map. Uh, Over here as well we have this parameter values. Uh, so this is it for team page. Going to the map page. So over here you can see the performance of how each map has been played. Like it is okay, few images are not there. The reason being hide down, but the images uploaded to the website. And sometimes what happens that website only allows to have image for certain days or certain month. So some images are not added on permanent website, so they have been broken. So I have to again upload these images and update my URL in the file. If I go to this and if we have map, right? So let's go to the visuals. And if I go to the image, we have map logo. Okay, this is where it is. First, as you can see, let me search for logo. Okay, map logo. We have map logo. So over here I have to change the URL to fix this issue. But let's get to the track. So over here you can see that one particular map, how the performance there, what is their top performer. Yeah, over here you can see top 5, top 15, top 10. Or, okay. We have again all the data by different stats or damage, KD, KPR. So you can again dynamically select for which particular step, for which particular calculation measures you want to, or category you want to see the data. We have KPIs over here. Maybe the player, so you want to see the player's performance, particular player's performance, you can select it from here. You can see that we have multiple players over here. So based on that, you can see this data. There are some things I need to think, like if I go to format and if I do this, so it only show the player who performed in 2025. So there are many players which are not, we have not performed in 2025. So again, I go to the player which was this player. Okay, or you can see if you see there are like more than 2000 players are there. Okay, so it's not possible that all player has played. Okay, so that is why if you will find the blank as well. Okay. So you have to, like, if you know your favorite player, then you can search them for here, but not for not all the players, the data will be there, because what happens that in a particular tournament that player might not have played, in a particular year that player might not have played. So because of those scenario, you will see that the data will be shown as a blank. But we see that this player, Valiant, this is his performance, like how many kills and where he is, his attack performance, you can see his defense performance, you can see his performance, headshot by, so over here it's a headshot by map. If I get kill, it's a kill by map. So you can see his kill by map, like his death by map. So his died boarding abyss, his has more kill in Lotus. So he's a bad player on the office, but he's a good player on the Lotus. You can determine that. You can see that, okay, which operator is performing how in which map for all these categories. Again, this is again all things are dynamic, so you can dynamically select the things there. And his top player for all things is shown over here. The image will be shown. 2024, 2023, so you can see his maybe then played in the 2023 or 2020. Uh, he played in 2022, didn't play in 2023, he opened from late 2024 and in 2025. So in 2022 he has won 24 kills, in 2024 he has won 6 kills. In 2024 his favorite operator is this guy, but in 2024 his favorite operator is this guy. Okay? Again, those also shown over here as well. So you can see by the pie chart as well. And the last page is player performance. So if I select any player over here, so we can see that how that player performing against other player, against other team. Okay, how many 2K, 3K, 4K, 1v1, 1v2, 5K he did. How, like over here he has 489 eliminations, right? So out of them he got 56 against uh, he got 119 against DRX. Over there in DRX he get 31 against this player and against 12 with his agent. So this is very comprehensive chart. In one chart you can see this many details. Over here is selected team is same for over here as well. If you see selected team is here. So yeah, this is the my dashboard. Okay, yeah. Before moving, let's go to the uh, calculations, because that is also necessary. So let's go to the calculation. This is all the agent measures I have created. Let's see how many measures I have written. Most of the measures I have written by myself, but more than 50% measures are written by ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and they are very helpful. Like, means you need to learn the AI. There is no other way. So I am doing all these things with AI only. Okay, because some of the calculation, if you see, let me just show you why AI is important for this project. I go to the model and you can see this is my model. So yeah, AI won't help with this model. This model is created by me. So how I create the model? What I do, I create a separate view for a particular thing and create modeling over there. So over here there is model for overview. This is model for mostly map score, and this is model for mostly the player related stuff. So that is how I create my model. So as you can see, this complex model, I need the help of AI to get this calculation. So see, this is simple calculation. Okay, but there are some calculation will be there which are more complex. So this is more complex. This is more complex. Mm, most complex parameters are over here. As you can see, this is kind of complex calculation. As you can see, for this kind of calculation, I use I take, I, sorry, I take from I take help from AI. Okay. So yeah, this is it from my end. I hope you like this video. If you need this data, let me know in the comment. I will upload this data on my website, and from there you can download the data. If you want this dashboard as well, just let me know. I'm not planning to share this dashboard yet, but if there are more than 100 likes on my video, I will share this dashboard as well with you guys. So please support this channel. I'm sorry I'm not uploading that many videos regularly, but I will be uploading one or two videos each month from now on. So you guys can get more data and learn Power BI. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.